My name is Becky, aka the Mocha Foodie Gardener and Rise Gardens Ambassador. Today I'm going to share with you guys a few of my favorite plants that I like to grow that have edible flowers. Now, whether you're starting your plants indoors in your Rise Garden and transplanting them outside, or growing them start to finish like this borage here, edible flowers are a wonderful addition to any dish or cocktail. Borage, also known as butterfly friend, is one of my favorite herbs found in the Rise Gardens catalog. Flowers have a bright, starry color that can be used for decorating salads and beverages. The leaves are edible too, that are said to have a cucumber flavor and are perfect in a tea. Squash blossoms, also known as zucchini blossoms, are another vegetable whose flowers are edible. Squash blossoms have soft, delicate petals with beautiful golden orange colors that have a mild squash flavor. Although you can eat both male and female blossoms, you'll want to make sure that you open them up just a bit to remove the pistil or the stamen before you consume them. Squash blossoms can be eaten raw in salads or even sauteed. I like to stuff mine with a little bit of mozzarella cheese and pan fry them. Marigolds are another great choice of edible flower. They can be used in teas, salads, and desserts, but they're also sometimes used in food colorings and natural dyes for fabrics. Add them to frosted sugar cookies and they just elevates the look of your dessert. And there you have it. So many ways to use edible flowers. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.